Welcome to Retunes channel. Today I show you 5 easy steps to make beat from scratch for live performance using only Koala Sampler. It works even you don't have start idea. Please like this video and subscribe to channel. Let's start. Step number 1. Find your favorite track in jazz interpretation on YouTube. Find video with interesting improvisation and vocals. These elements will be very useful later. Record the screen video on your device. On my iPad it's super easy. Then import the video into Koala Sampler with just a few clips. Wait. Import finished. Listen. Result. Everything is good. Step number 1 is done. Let's go next. Step number 2. Chop the melody. Before chopping the track, we need to isolate only the melody. Koala had internal stem separation. We need only vocals and other stems with melody. Press split and wait. Now we have 2 samples. One is the melody and one with vocals. We will use the vocals later. Next, we need to chop the melody into small pieces. These pieces we'll use to build a new melody. I recommend using lazy chopping and make as many pieces as the empty pads allow. Here what I got after chopping and deleting dead pieces. Let's listen. Now step 2 is completed. Let's move on the next step and to the most creative part of beatmaking. Step number 3. Create a new melody using samples. Before creating a new melody, I recommend making a simple beat using any drum samples you have. I'm using these samples. They sound good. Record a simple J-Deal style beat into the sequence. Later, we will remove it to make space for finger drumming, but now it's very helpful for us. Now start experimenting with chopped melody pieces to create 3-4 melodic patterns, each 4 bars long. I spent about 1 hour and find these patterns. Patterns number 1. Patterns number 2. Patterns number 3. And patterns number 4. They reference the original track but introduce a fresh new melody, which is exactly what we want. That's it for step 3. Let's move on. Step number 4. Add more layers. To enrich our partners, I will add a bassline and some vocals one-shots. Start with bass. I use brand new Koala Synth and just choose first bass presets. Then I use keyboard note and experiment with sounds. And I add bassline to all my patterns. For live performance, we will use finger drumming for the beats. To prepare for this, delete the drum track from your patterns and resample everything into individual samples. Set the sample to mod and assign the same cho group for all the sample loops. I resampled all my patterns and now it's ready for finger drumming. Next, we need slice the vocal track and pick interesting part for one-shots. This process is the same as with the melody. I found some nice one-shots.
Mittens, whiskers, raindrops, kittens, favorite things.
Now we have a solid base for live performance. Just one more step to go. Last step number 5. Prepare for live performance. First, organize your all samples for 3 groups. One group for loop melody, second group for vocals one-shots, and third groups for drums and finger drumming. Next, fine-tune your sounds and add sidechain compression for melody from kick and the same sidechain compression for voices. Also, I add reverb or voice for nice sound. Finally, mount all your samples to your MIDI controller. I'm using the M-Vave SMC-PAD and map some effects for live performance. It's super easy to do in Koala. Double check everything and your live performance setup is ready. Thanks to everyone who watched until the end. Please support my channel. Like this video, subscribe to channel. See you soon. Bye.
Whiskers, kittens, favorite things. Kittens, things. Whiskers, kittens,